Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back with a Felicity Jane haul. I hope you guys will enjoy it, so I'm going to hop right in. Okay, so of course it comes in this gorgeous box, and then we open the box. Whoops, sorry. And it's wrapped beautifully. As always, she does such a beautiful job, she and her team. So, let's get started. So I believe that this is, yes, this was an order of bits and pieces. So if you guys haven't had the chance, go on Felicity Jane and go to their last chance portion of their website. And I found things super clearance, and I am so excited. So I got the numbers, and this is from the Zoe kit. There's 10 pieces, so 0 through 9. I got the die cuts, which I use in Bible journaling and journaling in general and card making and everything else. 43 pieces. This is from the Zoe kit as well, and they are just so charming. If you haven't seen, but go look online because they are just cute as amazing. And I got the 20-piece heart set because who doesn't love chipboard hearts? They're the best. Okay, and then I picked up this darling like date stamp, and I love this. It's a planner stamp, and for me and my Erin Condren, they're undated, some of the things, and so I wanted to go back in with stamps. I love sticker stamps, and I love working with those, but I also love actual stamping, and I thought the font on this was really cute. And of course you have your days of the week, and you have little tickets where you can put in all kinds of little inserts. And these are to do, projects, work, plan on it, play, goals, and then here's a little banner. So super cute. Love that. And of course that was clearanced. I also picked up some of the Henley washi, and these are the washi stickers. So you get washi and stickers, and anytime you have like a strip of something, or even on the papers, cut those, save those, and use those in your crafting. They're fantastic. So, I mean, what they sometimes had planned for it to be thrown away, I use it. So I've also got these are absolutely the glitteriest, is that a word, glitteriest, letters I've ever seen in my life. Wow, those are really fun. I think I'm going to save these for Christmas. But you have the numbers and the letters, and this is from the Kate collection. Super cute. And I love the letters at Felicity Jane. Oh, these have sold out now, but I love these. I was just on looking the other night. These are so cute. So just little asterisk epoxies. I think those are going to be darling. Okay, more of her gorgeous cards. These are the Bible journaling cards. I always get my Bible journaling cards. I do get some at Tuesday morning. I'll buy the Becky Higgins, but I also predominantly, the ones I seek out are the Felicity Jane. I love their Bible journaling cards. And then there's some acetates, and there's 15 pieces, so this will be very fun to play with. So super neat, and this is from the Zoe collection. Alright, more journaling cards. Really, when these are down to $1 a packet, I will totally pick those up. I also picked up some of the stamps that I didn't have, so I picked up Carolyn, and I also picked up Elizabeth. So I thought those were super charming, and one of the daughters that we lost, her name was Elizabeth. So there was something about that. And that'd be about, she'd be a young teenager now. So anyways, and then I picked up more letters because I thought those were way fun. And this is from the Joy collection. And did I say, okay. And then, oh, I picked up these. Oh, I think these are darling. These are autumn. And I think these are so neat. Neat. Her letters are really something special. Another one of those that I already showed you guys. Oh, look at these gold letters. So, these are the gold foil. Man, I love those. I'm finding out these days I'm going through lots of letters and numbers, so I wanted to kind of restock. And for that price, you can totally afford to do it. And then look at these. These are the Brook. I wish I would have bought 2 of those. Those are super cute. I love that pink. It's such a pretty color. Okay. And then, oh, I did buy 2. I see another one down there. I bought 2 of these. This is from the, well, this just says chipboard alphabet. So I guess it didn't go with any particular kit. But these are black with white trim, and I think these are so charming. Again, amazing. Bought it twice. I mean, seriously, when you get on her Last Chance and you see that alphabets are $1, not always can you even get that price at Tuesday morning. And I did get 2 of these. I'm so glad I have 2 of those. Alright, now, I did pick up some additional journaling cards and another set, so that's a total of 4. And I love these. They are such, I mean, I use them for everything. And then, of course, I will save all that and the tissue and the box. These boxes are great for when you're doing like scrapbooking layouts and you just want to layer them in, pack them down if you have to leave, if you're at a crop. These are great. So I got 2 of the hearts, and I love these. I've had these before. They came in a kit, and I'm trying to remember which kit they came in. They came in the, and it doesn't say. But I love these. So, alright, so that is my first haul from Felicity Jane, and this is my, hold on one second. This was my sale haul, if that makes any sense. So all these things were purchased off of the Last Chance portion of the off the website. But I also received a couple of days ago my subscription haul. Hold on one second. Here we go. So let's see here. I didn't even open that. Okay. Well, I guess our carrier was a little bit crazy with this, but that's okay. I've never opened up a box that looked like this, so I kind of think maybe it was our postal guys or girls, but that's okay. And I can still use that. I reuse all the tissue and the little squigglies. I think they're great. Look, so it says, hip hip hooray, it's our birthday. Celebrate with us on August 22nd and post a birthday theme project on Instagram. Hashtag FJ birthday. We can't wait to party with you. XOXO Felicity Jane. And happy birthday, Gina and all the people at Felicity Jane. I'm super happy for you guys, and we love you guys. Okay, so now, oh yeah, that's right. Because there's all kinds of stuff in this one because it's their birthday. It's special. So I'm going to save this to the end, and let's just see. Oh, goodness, I love, this is Jenny, by the way. Let me show you Jenny. Am I going to show you Jenny? Where is she? Here's Jenny, right there. So, isn't she cute? And so, while I have this up, you can see all the different die cuts and ephemera that are in this kit. Super fun, super beautiful, and I will be using these right away because I have a project in mind. And then here are the... Tell you what, let me move this down, and that way I can lay things out like I normally do. Okay. Trying not to hit the camera, but I did. I'm sorry. Did you feel the earthquake when you were looking? Sorry. Okay, so let's see all the cards. Alrighty. And we have Celebrate. And all of these either have a dot or a graph background for journaling. They're perfect. So I love that one. That one's super cute. And then, let's see here. We've got that. Super, super cute. And I'm going to use that birthday cake immediately. And I've got that. And I've got stars. And these strawberries are so cute. And then we've got these darling little pom-poms. And that. And then happy, happy, happy. And I absolutely love this, that rainbow. So super, super cute. Love the cards. And like I said, you know, when those journaling cards go on sale, I pick up extras every single time. It just seems illogical to me not to, because there is always lots of different things that I can use these for. I use these in my Bible journaling. I use these in my regular journaling. I use these, oh goodness gracious, everywhere. They're just too cute, and I'm going to use some of this for a birthday card. Alrighty, now, let's see what else we get. Oh, I saw this. This is Fringe. It is Fringe cardstock, and I cannot wait to play with this. This is going to be so much fun. Let me show you. And see, it's like little fringes. Isn't that cute? And then you just kind of fluff it up. So super fun. Super, super fun. Love that. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different pieces. And then some cute stars, and they're kind of wumpy stars. And you get 17 pieces of that. You get a new alpha, and I love this. Oh, I love the hearts down here. Ooh, I really like it, that particular font. It's really kind of fun, isn't it? Okay, now, this, I went back and I ordered some extras of things that I had seen others when they did the haul. I ordered extra of these. I can't remember if I ordered extra of the ephemera. I ordered an extra one of these. So these are just word fetty, and I love these. I can never have enough of these. I love playing with these, and it gives you the days, the months of the year. It gives you sweet words like happy, smile, laughable, celebrate. There is a hip hip hooray, happy birthday, dream big. I mean, these are fantastic, and they're so small. They're fantastic if you're journaling in a TN. These work beautifully. Okay, and they also work great in your Bible too, when you're always trying to, use, not overuse all your space. Pardon me. I love the puffy words, and these are really nice, and you can see how thick they are, I think. Hopefully, they're not super thick, but they are super soft, and I love that. They don't feel plasticky, if that makes any sense. So, they always do such a great job of attending to each and every detail on these kits. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open my special bag. I am super excited. All right. There we go. Now, I know one of the things that are in here, maybe two, but let's see what all came. Ooh, goodness, look. Oh my goodness. Wow. They just went way out, didn't they? Okay. Ah, look at the little, oh, there's more tissue hearts. Tissue dots, sorry. Golly. Oh, goodness gracious, there's more. Let me see here. I think I got them all out. Okay, yes. Wow, that is too cute. Oh, that is so darling. Ah, out of all that, only one got smushed, which I will unsmush and use. That is so cute. So for the person that I have to do birthday stuff for, I am going to include that in a gift or in a card because it's just too stinking cute. Alright, so now, birthday sale, August 22nd through the 25th. Up to 70% off FelicityJane.com. Yay! And then, oh, she gave us a coupon for real photographic prints. There you go. That'll be fun. Didn't know about that. And let's see here. Oh, this is cardstock. Ah. And I wonder if that matches the other cardstock. And this is just the 6x6. Oh, I love that. Whoops, I'm losing dots. I'm getting dots on me. Oh, that's cute too. That is darling. I'm going to use that today, but look at the back of it. Super cute. So I'm putting that over here to the side so I won't forget to use it. Okay. Let me see here. Hearts. Oh, and the little like sprinkles. Oh, and her scallops, and I love the dots. That is so stinking cute. Okay, so let me put that. Kind of making a mess here, aren't I? But isn't that what's fun? Okay, I'm going to move that out of the way. And all of our pretty confetti tissue. This is a Felicity Jane sticker. And I love it. And when I saw this, I thought, okay, I cannot wait. So I guess how this works is you peel off the back. It has a front, and then you lay it down, and then you peel off the top layer. So this is going to go on my Felicity Jane box in my craft space. So I'm super excited about that. And let me put all these little cuties here to the side so I won't lose any more, because I do not even know where that other one floated off to. And then, ooh, let's see what this is. Super excited about this. Let's see. Yeah, this is what I thought it was. So, I think I'm going to make a little travel journal. the person whose birthday it is, I am going to create this. We are taking her on a trip, and by the time this is posted, we will be back. And I want her to be able to print out pictures and journal along the way, and hopefully that will get her started on something. And I'm going to halfway decorate it. I'm going to put titles on the front. She can fill it in and put her stickers in. So I think that'll be fun. All right, last but not least in this amazing box is, whoops, hold on. I don't want to lose it. Okay. Here we go. Uh-oh, I missed a couple of things. Woohoo. Okay. I don't know why I thought I had showed you this. Here, this, I think I did show you the stamp. So again, hello, it's your day. There's a die set they're selling to it works with the hello and then the flowers. And I love this. Birthday, happy, happy, happy. Someone special, it's your day. So I will be playing with that. Also, there are some darling sequins and little asterisks that come. I hope you guys can see that. I'm trying not to open this, but just because of time's sake. But those are darling. I can't wait to play with that. And then here is the paper right along here. So all that little extra kit of paper, that was part of the birthday, celebration, the anniversary celebration. So it's the birthday of Felicity Jane. Happy birthday, Felicity Jane, crew, and Gina. Thank you so much for having such a great company that so encourages us all in our crafting. And thank you for letting every month our subscription come and feel like a gift, because it really, really does. So, all right, friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Come on back. I'm going to do the project. I will do this with you guys on camera. And yeah, so, all right, my dear sweet friends, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share it, leave a message, or you can email me at josephinesdesigns.com@gmail.com. I will be pushing through. I have over 400 messages right now that I'm behind on, so I'm going to just push things through. If there's not, I'm going to give hearts back that I read it, but unless there's a question, I'm not going to answer those. So if you have questions for me, email me privately. I'll be glad to answer. I am just having a really hard time getting to comments. It just feels like we are just catching up. So, and there is a lot going on, as always, like everybody. And I think that this is how we're living in this perpetual state of, hurriedness. So I'm hoping we can, get everything caught up in time to enjoy the holidays. So, all right, friends, go buy Felicity Jane. Go see all of her goodies that are on her last chance. She has amazing options. These are great finds. You can buy the stamps if you missed them. And yeah, I think that's it. So, all right, my dear sweet friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.